Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We've finally reached the last of our team-based building videos, and we're ending it with the new mutants. Let's go! Okay, so this is our last team-based super booster from the Wolverine and the X-Men set. As I've said in the first video and the succeeding videos, I have been playing Heroclix for only, I think, 4 or 5 years now. Okay, so it was not during the time of Wolverine and the X-Men. So I decided to purchase super boosters and hunt down the other missing figures so that I can experience the joy of team building. So we have here the Xavier Institute Classroom Indoor Map. Okay. I think those are Battle Royale maps. And we see here Mint in sealed box, the New Mutants team base, Cannonball, Wolf's Bane, and Magma. Okay. Let's take a look at the cards to check whether they are complete or not. So far, we did not have any hiccups with the cards. Cannonball, Wolfbane, and Magma is here. And we have the New Mutants team base. Okay. So you can see that we have 1, 2... Let's take it out first. You cannot see it properly. Okay, so that's the New Mutants team base. Cannonball, Wolfsbane, and Magma. And the New Mutants team base have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots. We only have 3 here, so that means we hunted down 4 figures. The first one that we hunted was Mirage. We sourced it locally, I think from Julian, so thank you for that. The next one is Sunspot, which we also source locally. Julian, again, I think that came from you. And the last two, we had to source it online. This one, I think, was via Troll and Toad. Okay, Magic. Okay, so she is a rare in the set. So that's why it's a bit hard to get extra of her locally. Okay, so the sword though is a bit, not just a bit, but all bent. Okay, but anyway, that's Magic. And the last one that we got, we had to, the story behind this one, I got this from Larry. I was contemplating whether to buy this online. It's a super rare, and a lot of local players mentioned how hard this figure was to get before. So I already have this, but I just had the proxy card. So you can see it's not colored, it's black and white. But I asked Larry and he mentioned he has an extra one. So, and he has the card of it. So the original card moved to my binder, and this proxy card would just be in the team base. Okay, so I don't know if you understood that, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's put the cards on the side and start building our team bases. As always, you just have to be, extra careful. Just snap them off their individual base dials. Okay. And then, just plug them in the team base. Okay, let's go a little closer. So I'm so happy that I'm able to finish all the team bases. Okay, I don't have shelf space for this, so they're gonna be kept in box and probably tucked away somewhere or sold or traded. Okay, I just wanted the experience. Anyway, so this is the team base. So Magma is in front. Let's put Magma first. Here, obviously, in front. Okay. We have Cannonball on top of the mountain. Okay, let's move it up a little. There you go. And then we have, is this Magic? Magic on the behind the cactus. Yeah. Okay, Magic behind the cactus. So don't force them, just let it snap on its own. Sunspot in front. Okay, then we have Wolf's Bane also in front. Oh, sorry. Is it Wolf's Bane? Yeah, it's Wolf's Bane. Okay. The Mirage on the right side. And the last spot goes to Warlock. I think he's the most expensive out of all the figures here. So that's why I got him last. And that's it. That is the New Mutants team base. What a beautiful X-Men Heroclix history. Okay, so a thing to display for Heroclix and X-Men players in general. And thank you very much, guys, for those who have watched all my videos in this team-based building mini series. Okay, so if you haven't done so, there's still time to look at the other unboxing videos. But we're wrapping up this series. Bye bye.